Nassau has a pollution of 200,000 people.
For us, and I'm not
The
okay.
population of Bahamas is half a million people.
The sun ain't gon' shine all day.
Nassau is the capital of Bahamas and the largest city in Bahamas.
Gotta do better than walking out and dodging the surface. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, I promise it's worth it. Ay. Open the curtains, ay. Baby I'm certain. Ay. I want it all, we come in, it's a coupe, and we gon' ring it right back. Tell her, man, you know I'm suited, ay. But I ain't never gon' slack. I had to study the map, I had to find where I'm at. The legend, a symbol of that. Symbols, I ain't gonna crash. Catch me in the cut, hun. Some like the duck running. I ain't coming with none.